what is it that humans are doing on the face of this planet? Why are we here? What's going on? All these questions are really important. But the question that you're asking is not why are we here. I'll get to why, but really you're asking how are we here. The answer is that we're here because a God existed who created us. And this God is all powerful and infinite and the only God in the entire world at all. But you're asking me, why are we here? Like, what's our purpose here? Why did He create us? The answer is that He wanted to bless us. He wanted to give us a relationship with Him. And so He created us, and therefore we are here to have that relationship with our Creator. In other words, we're here to receive His blessings and to turn away from turning away from Him. So turn away from sin and just take His blessings. That's the how we are here, what put us here, and why we're here. What about where are we? Well, we're on a planet. There's lots of realms, lots of dimensions, lots of heavens, lots of earths. There's even a lowest world. There's a Garden of Eden. So that's the where. And where, when? We always were here. God created everything in the beginning. There was no time period between Him existing and us coming into existence. God didn't sit around for an hour and 20 minutes contemplating how He's going to do this creating. We always were alongside God with Him from the very, very, very start, which there was no start evermore. So you have been around forever. That's the where, when, how, why, and what of the world.